Is the Rayhong Spray Coating Agent the revolutionary car care product it claims to be, or just another internet sensation that doesn't live up to the hype? You've probably seen the flashy ads on social media showing cars going from dull and dusty to showroom-level glossy in seconds, all thanks to a few sprays of this so-called miracle formula. But what's the truth behind all that marketing? In this detailed review, we're diving deep into real customer experiences and shedding light on what you're actually getting when you order this product. One of the first things that disappointed many buyers was the bottle size. Advertisements often make it seem like you'll get a generous amount, but most users report receiving a very small bottle that runs out quickly, especially if you're trying to coat an entire car. Then comes the application process itself, which isn't as smooth as the ads show. Several users noted that the spray nozzle either malfunctioned or dispersed unevenly, making it difficult to apply the product consistently. Some said the formula left streaks or a sticky residue, while others mentioned that the shine it provided disappeared within a day or two, especially after a car wash or rain. And when it comes to protection, be it water resistance, UV shielding, or scratch prevention, many found the product fell short of expectations. The dramatic claims like instantly repels dirt and grime, or turns any surface hydrophobic, just didn't hold up under real-world conditions. There are even concerns about misleading labeling and the overall presentation of the product, which some buyers felt bordered on deceptive. That said, there are a few users who did report a temporary shine and said it helped their car look slightly better for a short time, particularly in dry weather. So is it completely useless? Not exactly. But is it the game-changing car coating solution the ads claim? Most evidence suggests otherwise. This isn't a glowing endorsement nor a total takedown, it's a straight-up reality check. If you're considering buying the Rayhong Spray Coating Agent, you might want to manage your expectations and think twice before trusting the marketing alone.